It's just hand doing this sign and printing in high detail. So it will take a long print.
How much time does it take to print?
See, it depends on the few factors. First of all, size, then the complexity of it, and the what layer height you are doing. Now, for example, this object and this object. Okay? This have a 0.2 of layer height, and this have 0.1. So essentially, this is taking. If I printed this in 0.1, it will take double the time because it had to travel more steps, double number of layers. So so generally, the professional 3D printers, which cost around 8 lakhs, they generally do to 0.25. So very rough actually finish, but they have their own proprietary system to make it look better. Generally, I find that 0.1 is good enough. So 0.1 gives you very smooth finish like this one. So what it's doing now is actually heating up the extruder. So the temperature will be about 185 degrees. So it will maintain that. 185 is the low side actually because this ABS takes about 230 degrees Celsius to melt. And what the main actually feature of the machine is it's PC-less. When you just get your 3D file download or make it on your software and process it on the software, just put that process file in SD card and it will run without computer. Because many of the machines, even that machine, like that is also an advanced machine, that also PC-less. But that costs 2 lakhs.
So how much cost this?
This model is about 47,000.
Cool.
And the smaller, there will be a smaller version, a Cube Mini. It will have just smaller area. Feature-wise, will be completely equal. Nothing is compromised. That will be around 34,000.
Cool.
So it will be, I think, for the cheapest in India, 34,000. And completely assembled, not as a kit, etc. Everything is tested. Now, one thing about this model is actually printed by a Connect scanner. So you know the Microsoft Connect, Connect or Connect, whatever you call it. So it's actually scanned on that. Print.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
What is the maximum speed?
I right now am printing at 40 millimeter per second. We can go safely around 80.
Alright.
See, we are looking here for the quality, not the speed.
Okay.
Speed is something which like geeks actually focus more on than the normal user.
And what is the height microns like?
100 micron is minimum. I personally suggest you can go point because
It makes it more.
yeah, you can see the difference. This is around, say this is 0.2 and this is 0.1. You can clearly see the difference. But if you go any lower, you won't see the difference.
Yeah.
It's
Doesn't make sense.
it's the limitation of FDM technology. So this is what we call FDM.
Yes.
So
Have you like? Is there any version that uses bounded fuse? Or is this is using this one?
absolutely. Bowden we can introduce afterwards, but Bowden I find it unreliable because of the retraction, etc. It have a hysteresis inside.
Yes.
So see, my aim of this machine is just reliability and quality.
Okay.
That's what's
And,
important.
You're using open source software?
Yes, I'm using Cura. That is my software of choice.
The one that I think
Ultimaker uses. You can use Cura. The reason of using Cura is much easier to use for a normal user. If I give Slicer, they will confuse with all settings. Also, there is one called Kisslizer. Kisslizer is I'd suggest Kisslizer using if you are a pro user.
Okay.
Because that gives much better algorithms.
Alright.
It's
And
beautiful.
for hardware you're using RAMs or some of the
It's a printer board.
printer board?
We will like improve our maybe go for RAMs in the future.
Is there any like quality difference or something difference between RAMs and maker board? Is there
No,
same?
it's just the feature sets are different.
Alright.
There is nothing that kind of difference.
Okay.
It's just a feature set how that board is designed. I prefer this board because the heat dissipation is much better. I will just move away so you can.
Okay, fine. You will just able to come over that side, please. No, go there. I want to take your interview.
Okay. Yes, anybody interested, just add the name. Take.
So okay, hello.
Hello.
What's
hi.
your name?
Karan Zafekar,
Come on. Where are you from?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Cool. So are you studying right now?
I'm actually pursuing my engineering,
Okay, cool. In which branch?
electronics.
Electronics. Cool.
Yeah.
Fine. So just tell that what experience you are just getting at right now, this Maker Fest at Gujarat right now at
First
Ahmedabad.
time actually showing the machine in public and
And wow.
showing among the maker geeks is much interesting.
Cool.
When showing something for like very general fair or something.
Oh, fine. So this is the first time you are coming to Maker Fest?
Yes, first time.
Cool.
Great experience.
All right.
Finally,
So
something for geeks we have in India.
fine. So what your future plans are there?
Future plans is actually we are launch a company called KC Bots.
Okay,
Go
cool.
for kcbots.com.
Yeah, it's this one.
Yeah. This
Yeah,
one.
will you please hold it? Cool.
So our aim is to make a 3D printer more affordable and reliable. So our aim of the machine, the Cube machine, is to give high quality results. That is our
Fine.
main aim, and it should be much easier to use than any other some riprap kits or some open source software or open source hardware.
What is the speciality of your these machines other than the other available in the market?
The main is I can't say the price of course because our smaller version is for 34,000. I
Okay.
think it is the lowest in India right now.
Cool.
And it's come completely assembled and it will have the same specification except the size as the big one. So you will get all the features with LCD. You can have a PC-less operation and
Okay.
everything is top notch.
Will you please explain some technological terms of this machine?
Yeah, okay, so this is a 3D printer FDM technology.
Okay.
So it's taking plastic from the spool back here and it's in filament form and it's like extruding it at a melting state. So it's melting at 185 degrees Celsius.
Cool.
It's actually placing it layer by layer. So it in the whole 3D models, its software divides it in layers, then draws each layer on one on top each other with plastic. So
Cool.
imagine a normal 2D printer with a simple page, but just in 3-dimensional, and here ink is plastic instead of normal paper ink.
Cool.
So basically the advantage of the machine is you just make whatever you want in your 3D software of choice. SketchUp, Autodesk, 3D Max, whatever. Just
Okay,
export
cool.
that file and the machine will make it in real life.
So
And if you are lazy, if you don't want, just go to thingiverse.com, download whatever you want and you can just make it on machine. So if you have a phone, an iPhone for example, you need a fancy case for it. You can just download the design for it and the machine will make it for you.
So this machine is available to purchase in the market?
Yeah, in February, right? We are
In
taking
February,
pre-orders right now.
Cool. So what is the procedure to buy, means where to buy?
Just go to kcbots.com
Okay, fine.
and just
Anyone can
contact
place
us.
our order
Yes,
over there.
yes, no problem.
Okay, fine, cool. I'm just sticking with you.
Yeah.
And nice, and
Thank
have a
you.
good day ahead
Thank
and
you.
also for the future.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.